Welcome, Sunny here. Let's run a quick 5 minute letting go emotional release meditation. You can come back to this video anytime you're feeling emotionally triggered, emotionally distressed. What we're going to do today, the guidance that we're going to run today, is going to help you to come to total acceptance of your emotions, dissolve all emotional resistance, and start to break identification with emotions. So it's going to be a very crucial thing for you to gain emotional mastery and to stop being so reactive and to ultimately stop suffering what's happening in your life. So please settle down. You can close your eyes. Start to just pay attention to what is going on inside of your body. One of the most important things when you're doing a letting go emotional exercise is that you learn to let things be as they are. So, right now, do not battle or resist or fight against or try to avoid anything that you're feeling. Instead, breathe into what you are feeling. Fully acknowledge, fully pay attention to, fully feel whatever it is that you may be feeling. Whatever feelings are there, feel them. They are not going to harm you. Feel the feelings fully. Simply observe and feel. Don't judge the feeling as good or bad, right or wrong. Don't blame whatever brought the feeling up. Right now, that doesn't matter. The story around the feeling, what caused it to arise, and why is it here? Why is this happening? That stuff does not matter right now. Just allow yourself to actually experience and feel whatever feeling that is currently arising in the body. Breathe into it and feel it. Learn to observe and feel the feelings that are arising in your body without resisting them. This is the key. And let them run their course. Don't even be so attached to the idea that you're doing this to let go of those feelings. Let this entire agenda that you have against the feelings just go for a second. Don't worry about it. Just observe and feel the feelings fully. Even if you are feeling resistance towards feeling the feeling, even let that resistance be. Don't even battle against the resistance. When you're doing this practice, it is not time for you to dwell in thoughts about Who caused this feeling to arise? What's happening outside that made this happen? That isn't important, okay? That is not important right now. You must simply observe and feel the feelings without judgment, without resistance, without agenda. And in doing so, your resistance to these feelings will dissolve. The suffering that these feelings cause will begin to diminish. And whatever solution that you need in order to deal with whatever situation that's in front of you, it will surface. Trust. This technique should be used every single time that you are feeling emotionally troubled. It will start to open you up. It will start to make you lighter and lighter. Even though, as I said in the practice, you're not doing this to let go, right? You're not doing this with an agenda to let go. You're just doing it to actually feel the feelings, observe the feelings. You will see that as you become good at this, as you do it more regularly, mountains of emotional resistance, emotional trauma will just start to wither away underneath the surface of your perception until one day you remember and notice you're like, wow, I feel so much lighter. Every time you do this, know that all is well. Okay? Have no worry. Don't resist. Flow with life. Let life be as it is. Observe through this practice that the more you let life be as it is, the more you just allow your feelings to be as they are, the more smoothly life unfolds. The less entangled you become, the less you suffer. Okay? So you can run through this again and again. You can come back to this guidance every time you need, but ultimately get better at doing this by yourself also. You can do it. It's hard in the beginning and you don't know if it's working or helping, but if you do it consistently, you start to gain emotional mastery. And what emotional mastery means is not, oh, I never feel bad again. It's that both the good and the bad you're able to experience without resistance. That right there is emotional mastery. When there's no resistance left within you to any feeling, strive towards that. Practice is the way. Okay. If you need help with this practice, join our free group down below. There you'll be able to ask questions and interact with our community. So it's a helpful resource. I want to thank you for watching today's video. Let me know what you thought about it below if this helped you and you want more videos like this. I'll see you next time.